For surveys, Google Chrome is a no, no, no. This is the reason why your IP address is usually all over the place. You get screened out, you can't take surveys. Google Chrome, run! If you're in Nigeria and you're trying to make money while in Nigeria or in other African countries of the world that do not really give us access to this making money online thing, run from Google Chrome. Do not go close. So in this video, I'm going to be, talking about a few browsers that you need to use, and Google Chrome is not part of it. Let's get started. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Making money online through surveys can be quite interesting until your IP address starts casting, until it starts telling the whole world that, hey, I'm in Nigeria, hey, I'm in Kenya, hey, all of these African countries, right? That is when it begins to get frustrating. Like I said, I'm going to be showing you, some of these browsers that are very active, some of these browsers that are quite private, that won't allow your IP address all over the place despite your strong proxy or your strong VPN. So without much talk, without further ado, let us start with the video right away. Okay, so the first browser that you are going to be using is, or that the first browser that you can use is Kiwi. All right, so we have Kiwi browser. So this is what it looks like over here. You see that I have it already downloaded, right? So if I click here, it's going to open. So Kiwi browser, this is one of the browsers that you need to use that will allow you take surveys, effortlessly, most especially if you have your setup all correct. So the next browser that we're going to also review is Brave browser. Brave. Yeah, this is the browser right here. You see, very active, and very private. If you're taking surveys, Prime Opinion, Five Surveys, all of these survey websites that I have reviewed on my channel, you will have to be using Brave or any of these, either Brave or other ones that I'm going to be listing in this video. So if you're not using Brave, you can also use Microsoft Edge. Microsoft Edge, right over here. Yeah, so this is what it looks like. Look at it right here. You just click on it and then you download it real quick and just use it for your surveys. Okay, so Microsoft Edge is quite very active and of course very good as well. So we also have the popular one, Phoenix. Yeah, I'm sure you know this, you're used to this, right? Phoenix over here, you can also use it. It is quite fast and also private as well, so it will help to keep your IP address safe from exposure, right? And you can take your surveys effortlessly without having the fear of, oh, is my IP address all over the place or not? Okay, number next is Excosia. Excosia, I don't know if that is how it is pronounced, Excosia or Excosia, whichever, but I like you to just say it so that you don't make a mistake. Okay, um okay, yeah, okay, it is Ecosia. Yeah, right. Ecosia or Ecosia, whatever it is. But this is it over here. This is like one of my favorite. Like, it does the magic for me all the time. I want to take surveys. This is great too, you guys. So you can use this browser to take surveys. You can use this browser to take survey, and you are sure that your IP address is saved, and you're not going to be all over the place. I mean, at least instances your IP address will be all over the place. With this browser, you have at least a good percentage of privacy. Okay, right. So let us also look at another browser that I love to. That's DuckDuckGo over here. DuckDuckGo browser. I love this browser too. I think this was, like one of my first when I started off this making money online thing. This was like one of my first. This is the first that I knew, and I've been using it. It's an old G for me, but it has still been working. It is still doing its magic. So you guys, you can also download DuckDuckGo private browser. It is quite private, like very private. I can't even overemphasize that. So you can download that as well. So I think that is all that I am going to be listing. I don't need to overwhelm you with so much because I think I've listed a few of them. I think what I've listed, they are up to like 5 or 6. That can do for now. If I discover new ones, I'm definitely going to maybe talk about them later. But for safety and all of that, use these browsers that I am talking about. Now, don't click out just yet. Let me also share with you the browsers that you don't need to use. You see Chrome, you see Chrome, like Google Chrome. Run. What did I say? Run away from Google Chrome. Don't go close. Another one is Opera Mini right over here. Do not go close to Opera Mini. Do not go close to Opera Mini at all. In fact, when you are taking surveys, I'll say freeze your Google Chrome, freeze it on your phone. If you're using an Android device or whatever, freeze it or you force stop it. If you can't freeze it, you can force stop it. And also, turn off the background data from running. Google Chrome can easily expose your IP address. That's why I keep emphasizing that whenever you're taking surveys and maybe you're asked to do verification, don't click on the verification link immediately. You know how you go to your Gmail and then you just click and then it verifies automatically. Copy the link from your Gmail, go and paste it on any of other of these browsers that I have talked about, paste it there and then do your verification. Don't ever go through Chrome, don't ever go through Opera Mini, don't ever go through Google. If you're using what is it called, iOS, you're using an iPhone device, Apple device or whatever, do not use Safari. Don't use Safari, please, because if you do, it is going to expose your IP address. It is going to tell the whole world that this girl is lying. This man, he's telling a big lie. He lives in Nigeria. And you do not want that for yourself because you're trying to make money. So you do not want any of that, what we will generally say, reggae, trying to spoil your blues. You wouldn't like that for yourself. I feel like this video was quite needed. I needed to talk about this because a lot of you reach out to me through my email that you keep getting screened out. They keep telling you that you're not in your country of location right after doing your setup and all of that. So I just felt like I need to bring all of this to your notice just so that you do not make these mistakes anymore. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, let me know in the comment section. And again, if you've started trying some of these surveys, and you're already making money from it, or maybe it is working but you've not cashed out yet, let me know in the comment section. Let me know. Give this video a huge thumbs up. Do not forget. And if you're here, you haven't subscribed yet, I don't know why. I don't know why. I don't gatekeep. I share legit information. If it is working, I share it. If it is not working, I do not share it. And even if it is not working for me and it works for someone else, I would still share it because I feel like if it didn't work for me and it worked for someone else, it can work for someone on my channel. So I will definitely still share, but I ensure that it is working, right? So please do well to subscribe to my channel. We are going to 1K subscribers. We're heading to 1K. We are heading to 1K, guys. Let us get there. Help me to get there so that that's like motivation for me. It will help me to keep doing lots of research and then come up with great and amazing content for you and for me so that we can be making money on this online space. Thank you for your support thus far. I totally appreciate, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.